A very warm welcome once again to all the viewers of this channel. This is Ritvik again. I hope in the last video we have discussed few of the aspects that we are going to divide and discuss in this channel. So today we are going to have an outline of C language. Before going to the C programming language, I would like to discuss the basic aspects of programming. What are the key elements of programming? And later on, I'm going to discuss a few of the real-time examples of the fundamentals of computer and carry on with the C programming language. It might consist of around 3 to 5 videos on the basic C programming language. I hope you all enjoy this channel and make this channel a successful one. So let's go on with the first topic in the C programming, that is the fundamentals of computers. Okay. Yeah. So here I would like to explain a few of the elements of the computer basics. What are the basics? What are the basic types of computers? Before that, I would like to discuss what do you mean by a computer. Normally, a computer defines generally a machine that is going to ease our work. Perhaps whatever might be the problems we are facing today, those can be resolved with the help of a computer. That is the main key role of computer. So how many types of computers are there? There are many types of computers. One is supercomputer, another one is mainframe computer, mini computer, and personal computer. Supercomputers are normally used for processing information, especially in the large drones. We'll go for supercomputers. Mainframe computers are mainly governed by the government and other business purposes to process very large amount of information. Mini computers similarly as for any sort of small business to large business, like medium scale to large scale, we'll be going ahead with mini computer. And later on, we'll be discussing about the personal computer. Personal computer is essential mainly for the special purpose, our personal use. We'll go ahead with the personal computer. So now moving on with the scenario of examples. We can classify and cluster all the things through real-time aspects as well. Like supercomputers can be defined with the help of a robot. Mainframe computers can be explained with the help of a data warehouse. Mini computers can be explained with the help of a database. And personal computers can be explained with the help of data called MS Access. So likewise, we can have a good classification of all the computers based on the comparison. So the main scenario of this video is to compare the things, and contrast the things and learn the things. The basic theme of computers was defined clearly, like supercomputers, mainframe computers, mini computers, and personal computers. But our task is to compare with the real-time strategies, like how a man came from monkey. You can have a comparison in such a way that the monkey which is first born can be compared with the personal computer, thereby mini computers came, thereby mainframe computers came, thereby supercomputers came. Likewise, we can have a real-time strategy and scenario of learning the types of computers. So now moving ahead with the other aspects, mainly the types of computers and the networks will be discussed in later. So the main key parts of the computer, one is the hardware, another one is software. Let us have the comparison of human body as an example. In our human body, every part plays an important role. If a part does not work, we can reveal that the particular person is not going to work for any long time. All the parts are functioning, but brain is not functioning. The man will be dead. So the human body will be in dead case. Likewise, the hardware and software are to be aligned each other. Hardware should be aligned with the collaboratively aligned with the software, and the functionalities must be collaborated in such a way that how a human body works. Likewise, the components of computer works. Let us consider all the human parts as a hardware, which we can see and touch. Even the internal parts also we can see with the help of some X-rays and other elements. So all the parts which we can see can be considered as the hardware. When we consider the computer as an example, you can see the keyboard, you can see the mouse, you can see the input given by with the help of keyboard. You can see the webcam, you can see some headphones, you can see some speakers. All will come under the hardware. Now coming to the software, it's like brain. When you are traveling in a road, suddenly you got stuck with a red light, and immediately you will get stopped. And what makes you to go further is the instruction from the brain. And here you are going to deliver all the set of instructions given by the brain. Software is like a human brain. It works based on the instructions. Every part should get an instruction from the brain in order to have good working. Likewise, every software has its own functionality based on its nature. We have classified the software into two categories. In our brain, we have two parts, cerebrum and cerebellum, right? Likewise, we have classification in software as well. One is the application software, another one is the system software. So coming to the application software, we generally use for the graphical user interfaces, mostly for a particular purpose. The software which is essential for a particular purpose comes under the application software, and the software that deserves working on with the hardware components, that will come under the operating system software. Now coming to the question, what is operating system? When we get instruction from the brain, it goes on with the help of transmission called nerves. Nerves play an important role in transmitting the informations from the brain. Likewise, we'll have a software, an operating system called, we have an operating system which constitutes to build its aspects from the brain to the each and every part of human body. So here you can go ahead with the example. DOS, Windows, Microsoft, and NTXP, all these comes under the versions of various Windows software. We have Unix, we have Linux, we have upgraded many more versions are coming, like Red Hat and all those aspects. So these will come under the operating system software. Tomorrow we'll be discussing, we'll be discussing in further sessions regarding the other aspects of programming. Like we'll be going ahead with the structure of C program and how can we comparatively create a structure and form a basic program. What is the necessity of building a program? We'll be discussing in the next session. So, just a minute. In this scenario, I would like to request all the viewers to please comparatively have our analysis on the real-time components like hardware, software, program, whatever it might be. You can have a work on these aspects, these particular aspects, and can give your valuable comments on the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more videos on programming. Thank you.